back to Arbor Upcycle. Today we are pulling a load of dry material out of the kiln, and this time we have what is known as Bay Laurel, and it's really beautiful, super hard, super dense. So now that it's out of the kiln, we can actually start to look at a lot of the pieces, and these came out really well this time. They're really straight. As you can see here, we have a little bit of checking here, or cracking, which is normal. You know, the closer to the pit, the more the center of the tree, you're gonna get more cracking. So, you know, those are fine, those can be dealt with, and we can do inlays, which are look really cool and are functional. We could use epoxy. Sometimes even the ends of these get cut off. So as long as we're not having a lot of cracking and a lot of checking, a lot of twisting and a lot of turning, we're in pretty good shape. So here's two test pieces that we pulled from the kiln last week. And once we resurface it and get it all flat, you're gonna see this fresh grain, and this Bay Laurel is really gorgeous. You know, it's a lighter hardwood. This stuff's extremely dense. Where everything comes out now, it's really beautiful, curly, and some figuring, and even some places where it almost looks some kind of like a lace grain. I mean, really right there, you can see how beautiful that figure is. So, if you need some Bay Laurel, come hit us up.